Okay, today we have something a little bit different on the Rattle Bunny's Den. This is a Nakamichi BX-150. This is my personal tape deck, and it is not working. Okay, so you can see that we have power. The thing is, when we put a tape in, you can see inside here you can see, watch, when we hit play, it starts to play. Nope, it doesn't even start to play. Doesn't rewind, doesn't fast forward. So yeah, we're going to take a look at that today and see what we can do about it. See if there's anything we can do about it. Alright, so as you can see, this here's the capstan motor. This is the rewind, fast forward, and take up reel motor. It drives the little tire on the inside there. When we hit play, let's put some power on it. When we hit play, you can see the capstan motor spin, but then it stops because it's not getting any tension on the tape. Okay, when we hit fast forward, you can see that the take up right here actuates, but then quickly stops. And when we hit rewind, same thing. It quickly stops. Okay. So I think what we've got going on is our little idle wheel tire, that's what it's called, has either lost its adhesion, meaning that the rubber is glazed over, or it's worn down to the point where it can't make contact anymore. Later on we'll do a recap of this board, of the whole thing. Zoom out so you can see what we're dealing with there. As you can see, there is a whole plethora of caps in there. Single-sided board. Most everything is through hole, which makes it a lot easier on me. And hopefully we'll get some work done on it today. Hopefully we'll solve our problem. If not, we'll at least find out what the issue is. Alright, so I'm going to pull the mechanism out, and we'll have a closer look at it from there. Okay, here we are. It's having a look at our idler wheel. This is the idler right here. Because, well, let me show you what it's not doing. Okay, if you hit play, it should swing over to this side and cause this take-up reel to move, which it does not. Okay, hit fast forward, same thing. Hit rewind, same thing. See, it's trying, but it's just not getting what it needs. Fast forward, same thing. Give it a boost, but it's not gripping. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to just try some simple cleaning on it. Let's get some Q-tips out. let's get into this. Alright, so first attempt, going to be a little bit of alcohol. It's mostly going to be on these. Okay, well, let's see what happened. Now that that's had time to dry, let's see if anything's happened, anything's improved. A little bit of an improvement there. A little bit there. What about play? Still not working all that great. Okay. Try fast forward. That works a lot better. Alright. Better rewind. Alright, and play. Still slipping quite a bit. Okay. Seems to be doing better. Try rewind. Still slipping a bit. And play is still slipping. So what we're going to do now is a little bit unconventional. It's going to have a lot of you guys going, no, don't do it. You'll be sorry. But the good thing is these tires are replaceable. What we have here, this is a cutoff wheel disc for a Dremel tool. And what we're going to do is we're going to get it on that fast forward because that seems to be doing the best. And we're going to just lightly brush this against the rubber and see if that makes any difference. Okay. Let's try play again. It's improving. Alright, so as you can see, we're on fast forward. Or on play. Sorry, we're on play. Let's try rewind. Definite improvement. Fast forward, definite improvement. Hit play. It doesn't appear to be slipping. Okay, so we're going to put a tape in. You're not going to be able to hear it, but we're going to put a tape in here. And we will see how it reacts to a tape being inside it. Okay, so first, fast forward. Yeah, it's not happy with that. Could be the tape too. Try play. Alright. Seems to be playing okay. We still have, if you notice, we still have some take-up reel kind of lag a little bit. Let's try a different tape, one that I know works. Well, it's trying. Okay. I'm going to try something a little bit more drastic. A little bit heavier grit on this bad boy. Get like a glaze on it. Okay, it seems like it's gripping better. Okay. Let's get some cleaning on it. Make sure we don't have anything nasty in there. Check the tape again. All right, we're successfully fast forwarding. That's definitely cool. And we're rewinding. Let's get this to go all the way to the beginning. Alright, it stopped automatically. We'll hit play. It seems to be running fairly smoothly. We may have at least temporarily fixed this thing. The rubber's glazed, like I said. We need to go through a full servicing. Eventually, need to get all the caps replaced. I don't think that there's a cap kit out there for this. That does seem to be working properly. Okay, so I just got it up on a basically a big pile of junk. Make sure I got it set up right. Should be normal tape. Doesn't say anything, doesn't have any holes in the top, so it's nothing special. So we are on normal. EQ70. EX1 is the normal. Okay, basically you got normal. SX2 is chromium. And ZX4 is metal tape. There's differences in the ability to record on all of them, on what kind of frequency response and what kind of things are really good for. This is normal tape. This is good for radio recording, spoken word, that kind of thing. I think we get a little bit of jazz on here, so here we go. This is what we got on this tape. Okay, it works. And that's that. Thanks for watching.